pH is stable at 5.2, noting that for the batch.
Readings are stable, ready to offload. Confirmed, batch ID matches, proceed with transfer. Opening valve now. Flow is steady, monitor pressure.
Sample analysis complete. Moisture content is within specification.
Sample logged. Looks good.
Yes, it's consistent. Sealing the bag now. Sample inserted, initiating analysis. pH is stable, turbidity within range. Compliance confirmed, moving to next sample. Stabilizers, approved. All checks complete, ready for production. Initial pour complete.
Confirmed, proceed with mixing.
Stirring now, consistency looks good.
Noted, data is logging.
Inserting probe for first sample. Probe is in, rotating now. Sample collected, sealing bag. Bag sealed, ready for the next one.
Steam cycle is active, pressure is building steadily. All systems are stable, we are maintaining temperature. Nearing completion, monitoring for cooldown.
High shear mixing ensures even dispersion of cocoa particles in the chocolate malt milk beverage. The rotor creates intense shear, breaking down clumps into a smooth, stable mixture. The chocolate malt milk mixture enters the homogenizer. Under high pressure, it is forced through a narrow valve, shearing the fat globules. This creates a stable, uniform emulsion with enhanced texture and shelf life. The chocolate malt milk beverage is heat-treated to ensure safety. It is then rapidly cooled in this tank to preserve its rich flavor. Agitation ensures uniform cooling, locking in quality for the final product.
Pre-processing check for chocolate malt milk. First, 50 grams of chocolate powder. Next, 25 grams of malt powder. Ratios confirmed, milk addition ready, all set.
Stabilizers are added to chocolate malt milk beverages to maintain a smooth texture. This prevents the separation of cocoa and malt solids from the liquid base. The chocolate malt milk beverage mixture enters the homogenizer. High pressure forces the liquid through a narrow valve, breaking down the fat as a stable, smooth emulsion with uniformly small fat particles. Chocolate malt milk beverage is pasteurized to eliminate harmful microorganisms. The beverage is heated to screw in this stainless steel equipment. This process ensures the final product is safe for consumption. The chocolate malt milk beverage is rapidly cooled to preserve its flavor. The temperature drops from 80 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. This process locks in the rich, fresh taste. Vitamins and minerals are added to the chocolate malt milk during controlled blending. This precise process ensures the beverage is fortified with nutritious drink ready for packaging. Verifying pH of the chocolate malt milk beverage. Now checking the viscosity. And finally, a test for microbiological safety.
All quality checks are complete. The results look excellent.
Agreed. The stability and sensory data are perfect.
Let's confirm it digitally.
Approving now. It's official. Oldest chocolate malt milk beverages are at the front, so we pull them first. Now, we rotate the newer ones to the back of the shelf. This FIFO method keeps our stock fresh. Our system analyzes real-time retail demand to generate optimized distribution orders. For the chocolate malt milk beverage, we're seeing high demand on the East Coast. The system generates an order for 1,500 cases.
These crates go in the refrigerated truck. Copy that, loading now. Okay, next load for the standard truck. Moving to the next pallet. Fresh chocolate malt milk delivery for the supermarket.
Great, just in time for the shelves.
Here you go. Next stop, the school. Perfect timing.
The kids will love it.
Chocolate malt milk beverage export batches comply with international food safety standards. Automated systems ensure precision and safety at every stage. Quality global compliance. Chocolate malt milk production creates wastewater and residues. These are treated responsibly in specialized facilities. Filtration removes solids, producing cleaner water, and digestion creates spots, protects the environment. Chocolate malt milk beverage starts in a controlled industrial process, where ingredients are precisely blended in stainless steel tanks, conveyor line. The mixture is then filled into bottles on a high-speed distributed